Well, let's continue on with our rock planet. As you can see, we've started giving it just a little bit of an outer glow here. So, you know what? Let's give it just a little bit of inner glow. Let's click down here to inner glow. And you know what? We're going to leave it. Oops, I didn't click on it. There we go. Now we'll click down here. We'll go ahead and give this a color dodge, a linear dodge as well, I mean. There we go. And we're going to, the settings look pretty good. Let's go ahead and change this color here. Let's do like this. Let's just key us in a number here. We can just pick one. There we are. Just a little bit of blue here. And then, let's see. Let's go ahead and say OK to that. This should be pretty good. There we go. Now we got a nice effect going on, a little bit of a glow here. So let's go ahead and create a new layer on top of this. Going to add a little more effects to it. And actually, you know what? We'll pause here and we'll come back to adding those effects in the next part.